go fishing because it's difficult, but I'm gonna try and fish to see if it's as difficult as they say. Yeah, I'm what some may call bored. You're bored? In my lake? You disgust me. So you're the one who owns this lake? Yes, and for making fun of it, I will have to kill you. Bummer. Ow, that really hurt. What are you going to do about it? Now that's what I call a job well done and dusted and done. Now it's time to go back to the fishing game of the fishing. Oh goody, I got a bite.